Hi traders. In this video I am going to tell you everything about why VPS, the virtual private server, saved my life, saved a ton of time for me, and it actually led me to travel and enjoy the world, because otherwise I would just sit around at my computer and be miserable, as I did for multiple years. And the first reason is that I am a traveler. I am traveling full time. Yeah, I just broke my finger, but don't worry about that. And the issue is with full-time travel is that you just can't look at the markets, can't scan the markets manually with your own eyes all day. And so you soon realize that this is not compatible with your lifestyle. And since I love to hike, I am in the Amazon rainforest, I am going to jump in the river. There are some caimans there, anacondas. Will Smith actually discovered the largest anaconda near this place. So it is exciting, right? But so I realized that I can't manage this kind of lifestyle with constantly traveling and looking at the markets. So I was looking for alternatives. And for me, it didn't work that I should just leave a computer open 24/7, because many times all of my stuff got stolen, because I am traveling to dangerous places in the world as well. And it is a pain, because then you lose many, you know, you can even lose your accounts because they are hacking it and stuff. So a safe VPS really saved me, because many times I was just like hiking somewhere, I was in dangerous places, and I was like with my laptop this way, I was just holding my laptop, and locals always warned me, don't do that, you are going to get killed. And I almost have been killed at one point. So I realized we can do this, and that was the time when I was looking for a reliable VPS provider, because I don't like most of the VPS providers. They are awful for me, just my opinion. They are bad. And one company actually approached me, and I was like, I don't want to recommend any bad VPS to my viewers, because I am not that way. I am not doing any ads and stuff. And they said, okay, we are giving you this account, just check it out, let's see. Yeah, so I hooked up 7 accounts, 7 brokers on that VPS. If you don't know, on a VPS you can install multiple of the same broker or multiple different brokers. You can run multiple accounts. And while you are sleeping, anything, you just have to log in and manage it when you are at a computer or on your phone. But you don't have to do anything with it. It was such a life-changing experience for me that I completely changed my whole algorithmic trading career. It was years ago, and since then I am running many EAs on my personal accounts for live signals. As you could see, as the gold trader reached 106% since October on a live account. Now I am going to launch the index trader on a separate account. I am running the Viking, the Apex, and I'm going to run all my EAs there. Of course my personal ones as well, but I am not sharing those. So you can also check them out and subscribe, as because I also let users to subscribe to my signals as well. But yeah, about the VPS, it is great, and I am not promoting anything usually, as you see my 300 videos, but I can honestly recommend them. I tried different VPS providers since then as well, just to see, and I didn't like them. I put the link in the description for Deepgate, the VPS provider that I am using for 3 years now, I think. If you want to check it out, use my code, because that helps my channel and my motivation to make more videos and stuff, you know, the bullshit that everybody's saying on YouTube. I am doing the videos anyway, so yeah, do it if you want to. Wow, just check it out. I think the indigenous people were fighting with these ones. Yeah, so if you have any questions about VPS, if you want me to make a video about this particular VPS provider, if you have any questions about EA trading, stop loss, dynamic exits, forward testing, walk forward testing, Monte Carlo analysis, anything, portfolio testing, just let me know in the comments, because I am back to business. I am making more videos than ever, and I am working on my EAs for long hours now, because I have my setup back. Ciao.